it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make instant Rava Idli. I found this recipe really helpful and easy as it only takes about 10 to 15 minutes to prepare, whereas normal idlis take longer. Hope you'll like this video and let's get started.
In a heated pan, add a teaspoon of ghee.
After the ghee is melted, add a few cashew nuts. Transfer it into a small bowl once it's golden and brown.
Add 1 teaspoon of oil.
Once the oil is heated, add mustard and jeera and combine it. Add ginger, chopped chili, and grated carrot and coriander and mix it. Once the vegetables are cooked, add in a pinch of turmeric powder and add salt as per taste. Add 1 cup of suji rava and mix. Once it's golden, add 1 cup of curd and mix. Add water per needed and mix it. Once the consistency looks like idli batter, add in a teaspoon of baking soda and combine it.
In an idli plate, garnish the roasted cashews and fresh mint just like this. Now transfer the batter into the idli plate. Place the idli plates into a pressure cooker or an idli cooker and cook it for about 10 minutes.
Hope you've enjoyed my video, and if you did, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See ya!